Said post on my first.
Yeah.
You can have. Her. Let me give her
Man, take the drink, man.
Right. I mean, my lips ain't been nowhere. I'm just saying.
Look, it's Rev, they ain't on your radar. They should be around the region. I'ma eat some oxtail, but first I'm finna drink this cocktail with Legion. I pledge allegiance strictly to J Nation.
What's up, guys? You are now tuned into the last session of Libations with Legion of this second season. Yeah. All right, I ain't cutting no motherfucking games. I ain't playing no games. I'm getting right into it. We got a fucking special guest today. He from St. Louis. He a dope ass DJ. He my favorite DJ in St. Louis. You might hear his tag where it be like, "Ouch, Charlie, you bit my finger." All right. If you hear that tag, you know DJ Charlie B is on the motherfucking ones and twos. Give it up for DJ Charlie B.
Yeah. Y'all ain't clap loud enough. It's cool though. Cool.
All right, welcome to the show, man.
Appreciate it.
First time here, right?
Yes, sirski.
All right, first time in the miss?
Nah, it ain't my first time in this. I'll be in this motherfucker.
Every week, right?
Every week.
Two,
three times.
When's the last time you made a drink?
The last time I made a drink?
Yeah.
Shit, like last week.
Last week?
Hold on, what you mean by like a drink? Like,
nah, I ain't saying
like you saying like the mixed drinks
some,
and all this shit?
Yeah, you ain't just go get a bottle and some lemonade.
I just put some Tito's in the cup. And that was it.
You made a beverage. All right, cool. Well, today we're making drinks.
All right, we're making
drinks today. All right, we got mangoes. Before I introduce the libation for this evening, what do you think our drink gonna be?
Some with some mango. Mango. What you drink? What's your
I like everything. Like I used to like tequila. Usually my favorite. It still is, but like the older I get, the more my palate just expands. So vodka, rum, tequila.
I don't know. It could be anything. It could be
whiskey,
anything.
Cognac, champagne.
This nigga like it all. It could be anything.
It can be anything. All right. So, like Kodak would say, a mango baby, right? We making us a Mango Dusse.
Mango Dusse.
Shout out to Dusse.
If I do say so myself.
Hey, all right. So. First and foremost, we're gonna go over what we got. We got your jigger and then we got your shaker. Those are the only two instruments or tools we will need today.
The jigger?
The jigger.
And the shaker. Okay. The jig and the shaker. Let's go.
You got 1 ounce.
Okay.
You got 2 ounces. You got a motherfucking shaker. All right, so as y'all know, let's get some ingredients. We're gonna use some lemonade, some freshly squeezed lime juice, some mango, and we're gonna do a little triple sec. And then y'all know my favorite, some agave. All right, you ready to rock?
Let's get it.
Ready to roll. All right, first we're gonna grab our shaker and we're gonna fill it up with ice.
I always want to spill it like this.
Hey, he got something going. Y'all see him?
Yeah.
Ready to rock and roll for
Let's go.
sure. Let's go.
So I need to get some ice?
Yep, fill it up with ice. You know I do all that, but he can't scoop no damn ice. Man, come on. All the way up, yep. The more ice, the better.
There we go.
All right. Put it up. All right, we got our ice. We're going to start off with a 1/2 ounce of lime juice. So go ahead and grab
Why yours ain't got, I got more ice than you?
Come on, man. Grab the lime juice, man.
Right here?
Yep, fresh squeezed lime juice. We're going to do a half an ounce in your jigger. So fill up half
up here?
Yeah, don't fill it up, half of it.
Half. I know fractions, nigga. That's cool.
Throw that mug in there, yep.
Alright.
Alright, next we going in with some triple sec. We're gonna do a 1/2 ounce of triple sec as well.
Right here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, ski. Damn. Yeah,
you good. All right. Got our lime juice and triple sec.
All right.
Let's go in with some agave. We're going to do a 1/2 ounce of agave. We do all our 1/2 ounces first.
This agave, yup, half. Okay.
Oh, you start reading the little thing in there now.
Yeah, I didn't see that in there at first.
All right. That back. Then we're going to go in with some mango. This drink got a lot of ingredients, y'all, but it's so good. We're going to go in with some mango. We're going to do a half.
What's the mango right here?
Yeah. We'll actually do a whole ounce of mango.
Hold up, I ain't put this top back on here. All right, a whole ounce.
Whole ounce. Since our drink is mango flavored, we're gonna make sure we can taste the mango.
Oh shit.
It's cool. You're just gonna have an
Y'all
extra
be
mango.
doing that shit fast.
Look at me. I did that to, you know.
You trying to show? Niggas trying
No
to show
child
off.
left behind.
Am I cussing too much? Can we cuss on this?
Hell yeah.
My bad. I just
Fuck yeah, you can cuss.
shit just be coming out.
Fuck. All right, we got our mango. We got everything. We gonna rock in some lemonade.
All
We're
right,
gonna do a whole ounce of lemonade as well.
Yeah. All right, shit.
All right. Can we go to the good part? Do say, my nigga. If I do say so,
If
my
I do say so
fucking self.
myself.
All right, now look, I'm gonna eyeball this because I like strong drinks, so. And you gonna do 2 ounces.
Two of them. That's
Flip
the
it
other
over. Yeah,
side.
no, it's that whole side is 2 ounces, so just fill it up.
All right. Wow.
All right. We're gonna leave it here for some promo.
That's free promo.
Let's go.
They paying you?
Soon.
All right.
All right, put your cap on. Now, a lot of people don't believe me, but I'm telling you, when you shake, this is the most important part. Shake it good, yo. Jigger, I mean, yo, shaker gonna start getting frosty around. Your hand gonna get cold, but it's cool. You won't take 2. I'm gonna take 1.
How many times?
Do you think it's good? Now, as you shake, that ice melts and it adds to the drink, and that's very important. You want that ice to melt.
Man, this
a
shit
little bit.
cold.
It's going, man.
God damn. Do this shit.
All right. You see how frosty it is?
Did I Nah,
You cool,
I
cool.
thought I put that plug up.
All right, so now we never want to pour the ice from our shaker into our drink. We're gonna do some fresh ice. So let's get some fresh ice.
I ain't never seen no ice cube like this.
I ain't either, man. Damn,
Where you get them from?
motherfuckers strong, ain't they? All right, so now we got our fresh ice, and now we're gonna take just this top lid off.
Okay.
We're gonna pour our drink up.
Shit, that must be a waste.
Oh man, you wasting liquor, dog. Come on, man, you wasting liquor, dog.
Just a little juice.
Ooh, that must look good, don't it? All right, now we always want to go in with a garnish just to add that atmosphere to our drink. So I'm going in with mine.
Right on the corner.
Right.
Yes.
Yeah. Put it right on the side.
Wow.
All right, y'all. We just made us a mango dusse.
Said post on my mouth first. Yeah. You can have. Her. Let me get her she
Man,
got a
take the
cup.
drink, man.
Right. I mean, my lips ain't been nowhere. I'm just saying.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The motherfucker far. I ain't gonna lie.
Yes, sir. All right, y'all. Mango dusse. Let's go.
Yeah.
All right, so before we dive into our next part of our session, what made you start DJing? Like, what made you get into DJing?
I just always loved music, like since I was little. For real. When I first started, well, what made me start, my mama used to have this record player, right? And she used to have hella records. I was probably like 3rd, 4th grade, and I just got to playing with them. You know the song, the Double Dutch Bus? No, you don't, nigga.
I do,
How old is
nigga.
you?
The one that used to play the little hula hoop game too. You go like this, and you like
Sing.
the double dutch.
All right, you know.
Nigga,
But look, yeah, I took that record and put it on. I just got to playing with it. And like I started like playing, like scratching with it and shit. I'm like, hold on, what the fuck? Okay, I see what. Okay,
fucking up her shit.
Okay,
that's what you really was doing.
I was, but I didn't know.
Shit.
I'm like, okay, I see what's going on. So like, I just got fascinated. But then I like the movie Juice and all that shit too. That used to be one of my favorite movies and shit.
All right, so how old were you when you got your first turntables?
19.
19.
Yeah.
All right, and ever since. So how many years you in the game, bro? How many years?
What's this?
Do the math, y'all.
Like 16, 15,
16, 15. Give them up for him, y'all.
You know what I'm saying?
You always.
Oh, my knees cracking a little bit.
Hey, if y'all in St. Louis, make sure y'all check him out. He at the hottest club, hottest bars all the time. If y'all hear that tag, that man is on the turntables. All right.